Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to begin a new chapter which is named as Exponents. So in this chapter we are going to study about exponents, laws of exponents and use of exponents to express the numbers in standard form. This is something which is new and important to you. To begin with exponents, before going to the definition, you have already seen when I write 2 to the power 3, it means it is 2 multiplied 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, not 2 into 3, isn't it? That's what I have told you so many times. And when this 2 here is called the base, and this 3 which is written on the top is called power or exponent. So how are you going to read this? You will read as 5 raised to power 7. Okay, that's what they have told here. So if x is a rational number and n is a positive integer, then x to the power n. X to the power n means what? When I say 2 to the power 5, it means 2 is getting multiplied how many times? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So x to the power n means x is getting multiplied, x into x into x into x to n times. That's what they are trying to tell you. So exponents is clear to you. Moving on to the other term, that is negative integral exponent of a rational number. For any non-zero rational number a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So if I write 5 to the power minus 7, it means it is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 7. Clear? And if I write 1 by 2 to the power 3 in negative integral exponent, it will be written as 2 to the power minus 3. Getting the concept? That's what they are telling here. See example 1. Express each of the following as rational number in P by Q form. Rational number you have already studied. It should have a numerator and denominator. Now here if you see, this is a number in exponential form. So you have to write it where it should have one numerator and denominator. No powers should be there. So just now I told 2 to the power minus 4 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 4, isn't it? And 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is what? That is 16. So then 1 by 2 to the power 4 will be 1 by 16. This is your answer. Clear? You always have to remember when an exponential form is given with a negative power, you invert it, okay, and then the power will be positive. Now one important thing here is that let a by b be any rational number. Obviously a by b is a rational number and n be a positive integer, then a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. I will explain this to you with an example. If I write 3 by 5 to the power minus 2, that will be equal to 5 by 3 to the power 2. Getting? We just inverted the number and the power became positive. And it means 5 to the power 2. 5 also have the power of 2 and 3 also have the power of 2, which can be simplified to a rational number as 5 into 5 by 3 into 3. That is 25 by 9. Is it clear? So see one example. Express each of the following with positive exponent. They are not asking for the rational number. Only the power which is given in negatives, they want it to be positive exponent. So 3 by 5 to the power minus 3 will be written directly as 5 by 3. You invert this number. Okay, isko ulta karo. 5 by 3 then your minus 3 will become a plus 3. So these many steps I don't want. If you want, you can write, otherwise you can write the answers directly. Similarly, look here, 1 by 5 to the power minus 6. What we will do? We will invert this number. This will be 5 by 1. As you invert it, power will become positive. Clear? Invert the number and change the power to positive. So let us move to the exercise. Exercise 2.1. Now here the first question is express each of the following in form of rational numbers. Now all these things you have to remember: rational numbers, positive power, everything has a different meaning. So please see, rational number means the answer should be in the form of P by Q. So let us take question number 1 support second as example. It's minus 5 by 6 to the power 3. It means it is equal to minus 5 to the power 3 by 6 to the power 3. So it will be equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 by 6 into 6 into 6. When you will solve, you will get the answer as minus 125 by 216. This is your answer. For question number 2, subpart 3, they are asking to write the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse we have already studied. Multiplicative for 7, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 7. So let us see. The question given is 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. So first thing what we will do is we will change the powers to positive. So 5 to the power minus 2 will be written as 1 by 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4 will be written as 1 by 5 to the power 4. That's what it is written here. Now 1 by 5 square means 1 by 5 into 5, and changing this division sign to multiplication sign, then the next number will be inverted as we have done the division of rational numbers. So 5 to the power 4 will go up divided by 1. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What is left is 5 into 5, 25, 25 by 1 is a 25. And its multiplicative inverse will be what? Its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by 25. Clear? Now, see the third one. They are asking you to show that 3 by 5 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. Means they have already given you the answer. You have to calculate and find. So 3 by 5 to the power minus 1 will be written as 5 by 3 to the power 1. Isn't it? We are using the property of a to the power minus n is 1 by a to the power n. So here a is what? A is 3 by 5. So if it is 3 by 5 to the power minus 1, it will be 5 by 3 to the power 1. And we don't write actually power 1. It is actually equal to 5 by 3 only. So I will write 5 by 3 to the power 1 minus 3 by 1 to the power 1 and whole to the power minus 1. Now this is your fraction part. When you will solve, you will get the answer as minus 4 by 3. And outside the bracket you have a power of minus 1. Power of minus 1 means invert your answer. So we got minus 4 by 3 here. Change it to minus 3 by 4 here. And to the power to the power 1. So 1 generally we don't write. Like 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3 only. That's why minus 3 by 4 to the power 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. So our answer is verified. Question number 5 says, by what number should minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product is 27 minus to the power minus 1? So as we have already done, let us assume the number to be x. Then according to question, minus 6 to the power minus 1 into x is 27 to the power minus 1. Now minus 6 to the power minus 1 will be written as 1 by minus 6 into x by 1, and 27 to the power minus 1 will be written as 1 by 27, isn't it? Now multiply this x by minus 6. 1 into x is x and minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. So then x by minus 6 is 1 by 27. So x will be equal to, this is getting divided here. So it will come here, it will be multiplied. So minus 6 into 1 by 27. So with the table of 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. So the value of x is minus 2 by 9. That is the answer for question number 5. Okay, moving on to question number 6, subpart second. You have to simplify the following. You just have to solve it. So 4 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 2 into 7 by 2 to the power minus 2. Now 4 to the power 2 is 16. How? Because it is 4 into 4. It is 16. Minus 3 to the power 2 is 9. So into 7 by 2 to the power minus 2. Can you see the minus 2 here? So what I will do, I will invert the number. 7 by 2 ko we will make 2 by 7 and the power will be a positive. So 16 minus 9 is a 7. 7 into 2 into 2 by 7 into 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. What is left is 4 by 7 is your answer. Question number 7th, subpart 3. You have to, the values of A and B are given. You have to put and you have to solve. So third part is 162 into minus a to the power minus 1 into b to the power minus 3. When I write a, b, c, it means it is a into b into c. Don't get confused. So it is 162 in the bracket in place of minus a. A is given as minus 2. So minus is here. So minus is here. In the bracket a is minus 2 whole to the power minus 1 and b is 3. So 3 to the power minus 3. Now 162 minus into minus is a plus, isn't it? And 2 to the, so plus generally we don't write, and to the power minus 1 into 1 by 3 to the power 3. So it is 162 into 2 to the power minus 1. Now this is 2 to the power minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 to the power 3 is, actually this is 1 into 1 into 1. But that is not required. Anyways, 1 multiplied, how many times you multiply 1? Even if 1 is 100 times. So it means 1 into 1 into 1 into 100 times also you multiply. The answer will be 1 only, isn't it? So 162 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So these things can be cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 and 24 is 8 times. 3 ones are 3, 6 times. So now it is 6 by 2. So it is equal to what? 2 ones are 2, 3. So that is 3 is the answer. So all your homeworks and classworks are marked. Please do them properly. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. And one more thing I want to tell you. Now onwards, surprise test will begin. And they will be weekly. Okay. And I'm not going to tell you the topics. Whatever we have studied in that particular week or before, not only weekend, it can be on Tuesday, it can be on Wednesday, it can be on any day. So in that particular day, suppose on Wednesday I want to take, so whatever is studied on Monday and Tuesday will only be asked. So have the tendency of revising regularly. That was all for today, my dear students. Thank you. Have a nice day.